And let's just go ahead and open them up, and I'll take a look at them here and show you exactly what you get when you get a pair of these. Here's the boots themselves. You get they actually included a pair of insoles. How about that? You know, blue in the bottom. I don't think there's insoles in them. And there's a little tag right here, the tag. And one of the things with these deck boots is they have a non-slip sole. That's my favorite feature of these boots, are the fact that I can walk on wet rocks, I can walk around the river. They have a non-slip sole on them for sliding, I mean, that's why they're deck boots. And also they work really well on wet rocks too. I'm out here, I'm gonna do a little fishing today, and I'm gonna put these to the test of stepping down in the water and show you how waterproof they are. You see that neoprene that they've added in the middle there? So there's neoprene on both sides, just like that. There's reflective striping on the back and the front. They have pull tabs for pulling up. They have the name right there, you know, Furuian, I think's how you would say that. Very nice, very premium looking boot. Let me go ahead and put these things on, get the fishing rod, and let's get down to the river there, and let's walk around and try them out. And I don't think they have the insoles in them. You could see right here, size 9 is the size I got them in. You're just gonna take the insoles and then slide them in just like this. So we got them set up. Let's go ahead and put these things on, and let's go put them to the test. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the boots. You can see right there. I like the pull tabs. Look at that dual pull tabs they have on here. Okay, right away, I wear a size 9. These fit very true to size. I can tell you, those fit very true to size. They look good too. These things have a nice premium look to them. Let's take them down to the water, and let's get them in the river. Let's do a little fishing, what they're made for, and let's try them out. So let's do that now. I'm not obviously gonna walk through like a lot of water, but what I'm gonna do is walk through water about like this. And I can tell y'all, these are super dry because I've been walking around out here. Watch when you lift them up, the water just disappears. There must be some sort of hydrophobic compound or something on the top. And then this is the most impressive, is how grippy they are even after they're wet. So that's like a slick rock, and that feels really good. And they're flexible, so they curl around the rocks. I can have this like good grip on the rocks. Let me go over here and do some casting over here in the corner. Obviously I don't want to step in there because of the fact that that's going to be over the size of the boot, but when you want to walk back like this, that worked great. Everybody, I think this would be a great option for anyone that needs like an affordable deck boot that, you know what, gets the job done when you need it, but doesn't break the bank. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, deck boots. See you all in the next video.